Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10, Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 9, Asi. For three generations, the Kozhuolu family owns a prominent plant station in Antakya, keeping this farm alive in their foremost goal. The owner is Han Kozhuolu and his daughter Asi work and live for their land. Years ago, the Mir's mother Amine and aunt Sohela were workers on the Kozhuolu farm until his mother drowned herself with her two kids, Demir and Malik, in the nearby river called Asi. Her children survived Demir and Malik and they went on to live with their aunt Sohila. Demir returns to his hometown as a rich businessman, still embittered about the circumstances that drove his mother to her death. He meets Asi and is immediately drawn to her. However, the lives of the Kojjuolu family and Demir's family bear more connections from the past that constantly seem to get in between. Number 8, Vermum Sani Eller. The series will follow the relationship between the carefree Zelish from Kara Deniz and action-oriented Mehmet Yamanir, who grew up in Istanbul and does not believe in love. Number 7, Kara Destani. The series follows Jilal Aga, who covers all the lands in his region, seizes the lands of the all the Agas, and ultimately has his last rival Usman Aga killed. On the day of the murder, Usman Aga's wife Razia delivers a son. Fearing Jilal Aga's wrath, she entrusts her son to Jilal Aga's wife Asi, who coincidentally gives birth to a daughter on the same day. This inadvertently makes Umar the son of the man who murdered his father. On the other hand, the daughter born to Jalal Aga's wife Asiya is kept a secret. Years goes by and Umar matures into a young man who is beloved and respected by all, a stark contrast to his father Jalal Aga. Meanwhile, Sultan reappears in town, claiming to be the son of Aga's daughter and seeking revenge. Fate intervenes, bringing Umar and Sultan together many years after being born on the same day. Number 6, Gonul Dagi. Tanir is a young inventor living in a small town named Gdili in the middle of the mood. Tanir and his cousins Vaisal and Ramazan had been dreaming to build an airplane for years and they finally managed to build it, and also at the same time they succeed to convince a company to see and invest in their airplane. The company decided to send an engineer to the town. This engineer was a surprise named his childhood sweetheart Dilik. Number 5, Sila. Sila is a young girl who shortly after being born is snatched away from her family and her roots, taken to Istanbul, where she is adopted by a rich family who tell her that all her family died. Although from an Eastern origin, Sila is brought up in a modern Western style. One day, her perfect life crumbles when she meets her so called dead family and their backward traditions. Her real father suddenly appears and lies that her mother is dying and she goes to Mardin to see her. Her life soon changes when she is forced to marry to Boran Aga, a total stranger, to save the life of her elder brother. Now Sila is imprisoned in a world where tradition, not law, reigns. She searched for ways to free herself and each day makes plans for her escape. Nevertheless, she struggles to run away from the growing and hopeless love she feels towards Boran Aga. Number 4, Bir Zaman Lar Chokorova. Bitterlands tells the story of a legendary love that begins in Istanbul during the 1970s and continue in the fertile lands of Chokorova in southern Turkey. Through the trials of evil, ambitions, and tyranny, Yilmaz, who commits murder in order to protect Zoiliha from the cruelty of her own family, and Zoiliha, who would rather die than give up on Yilmaz, embark on a grueling escape journey. Fate takes these passionate lovers to Adana, where they will end up on the vast and fruitful lands of the modern and powerful landowner Dimir and his dominant mother Hankar. A simple lie the runaway lovers tell in order not to be separated from each other will turn their lives upside down and destroy any hopes of salvation they had, leaving them in the midst of utter turmoil. Number 3. Gul Masali. Gonja, a young engineer living in Istanbul, received surprising news from the past the day her project was stolen and she was fired. This is a mysterious legacy from her mother, whom she lost when she was 5 years old. In order for Gonja to inherit the inheritance, she must go to Sparta and fulfill the conditions of Mother Fatima. However, Gonja's father Tahir strongly opposed this journey. There are facts that Tahir tries to hide and that he does not want his daughter to know. The life of a young woman who went to Sparta to find answers to all the questions in her mind and heart unexpectedly changes direction when she encounters Toprak Atabit, the son of the Atabe family, one of the important families of the city, because every love awaits for its season to fall into the heart. Number 2. Kara Tahta. Being bullied by his friends during his high school years, Atlas has to leave his hometown together with his mother. Years later, he completes his education and is appointed to his former school in his hometown as a mathematics teacher. Is it a coincidence? The day of the reckoning has come for Atlas and his bullies, who nearly caused his death, and his father, who ignored all the bullying he went through. And then there is Irmak, the girl who stole his heart. Atlas' path is not an easy one. Will he be a teacher who sacrifices himself to help others or a cruel person to get rid of his anger? Tell me, Atlas, why did you come back? For your love, you had to leave behind or to settle an old score. Number 1. Aziz. Aziz Paidar, the son of the Paidar family, the largest and only carpet manufacturers in Antakya, lives a prosperous and wealthy life. Aziz's fate changes when he kills French delegate Lieutenant Andre. He is forced to leave behind the land of his birth, his only love, in short, everything he had. 2 years later, when he is thought to be dead, his return is unexpected for everyone. Nothing is the same anymore. Not only did Aziz lose everything he owned, but Antakya, which was under French occupation, became much worse than he before left. Moreover, his first love, Dilruba, is engaged to her uncle Ghalib Payedar's son, Adam. Aziz, who had to start all over again, was reborn from the ashes with the struggle for life. He will be in a dilemma emotionally when Afnan, a simple peasant girl, unexpectedly enters his life, and after the intense emotional turmoil he experiences, he will find both himself and his true love all over again. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.